Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to play ARK Survival Ascended with your friends on PS5 but can't figure out how to connect from your PC, you're not alone. Crossplay isn't plug and play in ARK ASA unless you know the exact method. So today, I'm breaking down the simplest and most reliable way to enable crossplay using a dedicated server. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you and your PS5 teammate will be in the same world with zero hassle. First things first. Why do you even need a dedicated server? ARK Survival Ascended doesn't support crossplay through its normal multiplayer matchmaking. PC and PS5 can't join each other's sessions directly, but a dedicated server works as a shared host that both platforms can connect to, making crossplay completely possible. The good news? You don't need a fancy machine to run it. A dedicated server doesn't require a GPU at all. It runs in a simple terminal window, so as long as your PC has around 8 GB of RAM or more, you're good to go. More RAM just helps if you plan on hosting extra players or using heavy mods. To launch your server, open Steam, find ARK Survival Ascended, right-click it, and select Launch Dedicated Server. This brings up a clean interface where you can tweak all your server settings, choose your map, and even add mods. Just make sure any mods you enable are compatible with both PC and PS5 players. Otherwise, one side won't be able to join. Next, depending on your operating system, Windows or Linux, you'll want to follow a setup guide that walks you through port forwarding and network configuration. This part is essential because it lets players outside your local network actually reach your server. There are plenty of OS-specific tutorials out there that show every step in detail. Once your server is up and running, all that's left is to share the server IP and port with your PS5 friend. They'll search for it on their side, you'll join from your PC, and boom, you're finally in the same crossplay world. And that's it. With just a dedicated server and a few quick settings, crossplay between PC and PS5 becomes super smooth. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.